ito, tingnan namin yung picture namin kung pwede. Oh. Mayat? Huwag kaya mo, invite yung picture niya, huwag niya.
Bakit talaga kayo? Ang dami bayan?
Ada bayad na. Ngayon na lang siguro. At least remembrance yaw. Mayat bro niya, mayat. Diba? Oh, doon duwa di mo kahit sumursurot niya. Oh, di at least na padas maun.
Hindi pabawas sa akin. Ito ang atiwali ko kumamana. Duwa tigay ka.
Ang ginugos ka na karon, baka matindag ka na yun. Ano tawali? Ah? Wala mayat. You want your picture? Kita na yung picture.
Experience.
Kunin yung picture niya. Get your picture if you want.
Mabali ba picture niya lang?
Manong bayad na ya? How much? Oh, mura lang pala eh. Oh, yeah, just ticket. That's ano. Remembrance. Mano deng manaw?
My dad and then everyone.
Copy. Sound check number 2.
Yo, you're number 1.
Oh.
Imunadan. Ay.
That was so cute. I love that. But she said yes over.
Roger.
Over the battle.
Oh, Jilan, you're very good in you're like a radio operator, huh?
Roger.
What?
Take my top.
Mali John naman.
It's cute.
I take pics when I go on a walk.
Okay,
I'm tired of being sick.
Yes, affirmative.
Why did you close the air here na Kong? Did you turn off the air here?
Yeah, because I was getting
Oh
cold.
really? Oh, that's why I cannot feel anything.
Sorry.
Oh, you wanna
Did they
talk?
say hello back? Did they say hello back? Are you having fun? And I said hi back.
Yeah, they love you. It is nice. We missed you, SF.
I should have at least laughed at them.
You were left on her, babe. Girl, that.
Stop it, madam.
I know. I was literally gonna say that was so fun, but then I was like, wait. Bro, it was so funny because Dad was up already, and we were waiting for Mom, and it took like 10 minutes.
I'm so slow. I'm the slowest.
Mommy, where were you, babe?
I'm slow pero because I keep on
Oh, it was fun.
I keep on stopping because pababa eh.
Oh my gosh! Apparently, the guy in front of Jelan was going so slow. He was braking at the at the drops. I felt so bad for her.
Baka first time naman niya kaya.
They're scared. But girl, I was going fast. I caught up to Joanna so fast.
That's basically like losing? Is it like
Let's go.
A little, yeah. Oh.
Merienda muna eh. Oh, andyan na yung kasama natin. Okay, let's go na. Yeah, it's okay. Just talk.
Wait, Daddy.
you don't smell that?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, I do.
Just talk.
Tito Verhel.
So that you know what to do na radio.
Why is it so strong?
What's that smell?
Is it like chicharron?
Maybe.
Can I smell?
What are the flavors of Quencher?
Watermelon.
And
Ano
pineapple?
mo ulit tayo kung mag-jay...
Watermelon or
Tower,
pineapple?
tower na
Quencher?
ano ka. Sila sa hotel ko yan.
Daddy.
Wait, are we losing first or Calgary Tower?
Tower daw.
Tower daw muna. Then
Okay, so then we'll walk.
that's good. It's you didn't try na kong.
Yeah.
Pag uwi natin anak, I want you to try it.
Ito na po sa Balintuman ako. Plano niya ito.
We have a time. Oh, I don't think we have a time kasi magaganda yung bank eh.
It's okay.
Pupunta tayo sa taas-taasan ng bank. Tupundola, let's have ice cream there.
Cute.
After the lunch, mag-ice cream tayo. Sarap ng ice
Next destination, Calgary Tower.
We go to bed?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Why did she say we're gonna get ice cream?
Calgary Tower at saka susunod.
No.
Ano sunod yung
We're gonna go
Loads?
to Gondola.
Loads ba?
Mommy,
Ah,
what do you mean we're eating ice cream after the luge?
after the luge, then let's go to the hotel.
Mom!
What?
I'm confuzzled.
Yung sa lusod man na mabalin jail aglod sa tanya or yung oras tano nin may amot chimpo na eh. Tano din sudor tayo no may meno sa dito pag tao na tano nga.
Umagat ko na naman.
Tatal ako baka tano mga diri sudor tayo.
Makapunta din na kayo sa Boak. Ice cup, anak, you want?
Yes, please, mommy.
Ikaw, anak, ice cup?
Quencher, please. Wait, mommy, can I come in? Or wait, are you doing the drive-thru?
Hindi, no drive thru kasi wag to the washroom.
Mommy, I'll come in with you. What do you want? Ice cream. Medium.
Stop yun eh, kaya dapat kahit walang sakyan, stop.
I thought out.
Bar muna dito sa ano.
Why would you say that?
Magwa-washroom daw muna sila.
Give me that Quencher. Okay, Daddy, I put on her harness.
Stop siya. Let's go ano. You go pipi. Oh, yan. Maihirin si Kapsi eh. Kapsi. Okay lang bro, okay lang, sika lang. Okay lang, thank you. Yeah.
Hello.
Kapsi, come here. Ihim mo na tong alaga ko. Gopi. Okay.
Ito yan.
Ready, muray magat. Ito, tika igam para pindot na sa. Usag sa upa.
Kanan mi tayo chicharon baboy.
Ang matarosan ni Dilan tinakagim di ko. Wanyo. Ay what? Oh yeah. Cupcake is Thursday. Nya ta kapay. Nya to yan.
Lutz. Kita ba Lutz? Mana?
Jalan, are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Nakaladyo ni Jalan Joel from.
Okay, let's go.
Rolling. Okay, let's go.
Wait, my hands are gonna stain.
Nako.
Wait, I'm gonna put it in a
Let's
bowl.
go lodging first. We can go directly there and do our lodging.
Are we going luge first?
Urayan pa yung malpas baka sa
Turn left
pinutang
on
tabak ko.
Carlton
Yes.
Avenue, then turn
After?
left.
No, now.
Now, we're going lodging now. And then after, we can go to hotel and shower and you wanna go
Hindi,
out
not
somewhere or
shower.
whatever.
In tower.
O tower, whatever you wanna do. Okay?
Sounds good.
Over. Oh, she likes this. Mm-mm.
Turn left on 67th Street.
Kaya lang umulan.
Spit it out.
No, she ate it.
Ito makita nakasunod.
Dan, natin.
Diretso ka rin lang, ako din to ka na Jordinas, di pa nagsashower, kung naman nag-try, back up ka.
Kaun mo, di nga talaga mo. Loads and then tower.
When mabalin lata.
Loads. Mabalin lang tayo. Baga mandi, magbada.
Okay, okay na.
Roger.
He was hungry.
Marites.
He said Roger, and then Tito Marita. He said Roger,
Angelic
Marita.
Continue on 67th Street.
That's why I kept hearing him say that. I heard him say that before. I was like, what's so disappointed. Bro, Tito.
Baka tila daya tayo malaglagi yung suda.
She's living the life. She's just laying and being fed.
May isang bus marami busy. Doon kami pupunta doon sa taas. Paparada ba yun?
Masarap ang ice cream dito.
Cupcake, are you okay, Kapsay?
Can you use the bathroom?
Alis pala yun Wala ko naman
Wow, anak. Nakasure na mabilis na yung mga anak ko. Mga pastor tong mga anak ko. I want to change
Kita ginawa din ko yung mga pagparada na okay, dito na. Maghanap na ng parkingan. Mabilis na tayo. Nagulod na.
I know. Kita, nagulod.
Ang pinaradang may... Oh, yeah. Dito. Mamakap tayo dito. Oh, yan pala eh.
Ito.
Ito muna.
Garbage na ito yun.
Okay, Kapsilas Lupi. Okay, nakarating kami sa next na pupuntahan. Kaya baba ulit. At ano, mamaya ulit. Kapsel, let's go. Ano, ihi ka muna. Okay? Huh? Yeah, I'll do it. Go in the washroom and come in dito. Yeah, let's go. Ay, did she eat? Anak mo, did she eat?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay, baba muna tayo at ano, sasakay ulit sa isang sakayan. Ulit kami. Yun, kami pupunta sa taas.
Nakayat mo na po daw. Hindi nakayat ipiko.
Hindi pupunta. Oh. Where's Kapsi? Ah, nandun si Kapsi. Kapsi, come here. Kapsi, come here. Ada kita. Sinarado kasi ano, may kidlat. Malakas ang hangin. Ay, yan. May kidlat kasi sinarado. Hindi maganda ang weather kaya ano. Okay, wala. Hindi maganda. Hindi mamaya na doon sa ano na. Ba't naman itong diayan deng? Okay. Oh. Wala, sinarado na lang yung ano. Karting. Kasi hindi maganda ang weather kaya sayang, balik kami next time. Kaya punta kami sa ano, next na ano, pupunta namin. Wrong timing kasi Erika, wala. Di bali pag may oras tayo, ano, babalikan natin.